my channel. I feel like I'm like on a talk show or something, sitting on this stool. But this is my backdrop for when I do TikTok fashion style videos, and so I figured I would film today's video right here as well because it is a style video. I know it's not super cold yet in a lot of places in the US where I am or abroad, but it's getting a little chilly here in Utah. And so I've started breaking out some of my winter stuff. And I'll be honest, I'm not much of a scarf person. I don't know, I just like never reach for it, though I think it's so pretty. This is a blanket scarf and I got it a couple years ago. And so I thought for today's video, to help me wear this more, I decided to do 6 ways to style a blanket scarf. So if you're like me and you have one, or you like them but you just don't know kind of how to wear them, maybe this video will help you out. Also, it has been a hot minute since I've done a DIY, so we're gonna throw a little DIY in here as well, because blanket scarves are very easy to make because you don't do anything. It is a no-sew DIY. This one I bought. I can't remember how much I bought it for, but blanket scarves, they're not cheap. Like, I don't know, it was probably $20 and it was probably on sale for $20. But you can make them a lot cheaper than that. So here's a little sneak peek. You gotta watch through the style part and then we'll get to the DIY. But I'm gonna show you guys also how to make your own blanket scarf for really cheap. Balling on a budget over here. So without further ado, let's get into the video. This one's close to what I have, but that's cute. But I'm thinking either this one or this one. So for this DIY blanket scarf, all you need to do is go to your local fabric store and pick out some plaid flannel fabric. All of these are so cute, but I went with this brown and gray. I picked up 2 yards of this fabric. I think that's a good length for me. And then this is a no-sew DIY, so it's super simple. I love the frayed edges on blanket scarves, so I'm just going to go ahead and use my fingers, or you can cut it and fray it a little bit more. You can also cut it vertically down if you want the width to be a little smaller. However, I just liked the width how it was, so I literally just bought a piece of fabric, and you can use it as a scarf. Fray it however much you want, cut it however much you want, but they are so cute and so affordable. Okay guys, that is it for today's video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Hopefully this helped, gave you some inspiration on how to style a scarf during this winter season. Also, if you guys end up making your own blanket scarf, I would love to see them. So please tag me on Instagram, or just even leave a comment down below saying, hey, I made one. That just makes my day when I know people like the DIYs and they try them out. Give the video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and please hit that subscribe button to become part of my little family here on YouTube. Like always, leave any video requests down below. I have some fun things planned. It's like my favorite time to film now until like New Year's. There's just so much goodness on YouTube, so I'm excited to film a few fun things. But if you have any like holiday requests or anything you want to see, gift guides that's coming, things like that, please let me know, and I will try to make those for you guys. Thanks so much. I love you guys. See you next time.